Hello there, Josie here from Finalizing. Today I am going to cook pork ribs adobo. So adobo is a stew cooked with soy sauce, vinegar, and all the other ingredients. So in this pot I have pork ribs cut up into pieces. There's ginger, garlic, onions, black pepper, and bay leaves. So I'm marinating this mixture and cook it after an hour. I will show you how I cook all through the cooking time. After an hour of marinating this pork ribs, we can now put the fire on. So I'll put it to medium right there. So we will cook it for let's say 10 minutes and then check it out. If it needed water, we can add some water, but see, it has the vinegar and the ginger there, and plus water will be coming off from the meat, and it will add to the liquid down there. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna add some more ingredients like carrots and potatoes. I like to have vegetables with my adobo. And you know, adobo is very subjective. You can add anything you want, but the main ingredients in this recipe is the meat, of course. Then you have the vinegar and soy sauce, onion, garlic, ginger. Sometimes I added ginger because I like the flavor, the tangy flavor to the from the ginger. Anyway, onions, those are the main ingredients, black pepper, and bay leaf. So yeah, we have our own way of cooking adobo. And like I said, I will add some carrots and a few pieces of potatoes just to have a variety of, instead of just meat. Anyway, it's starting to boil now, so put the top on a jar for the steam to escape. Let us check our adobo. So as you can see, it has some liquid in there, but I think I'm going to add the water now. Smells really nice. Let's add a cup of water and continue cooking for 30 minutes. Now it is time to add our carrots. There, now get it cooked until soft. By the time the meat should be nice and soft. And I'm going to add the potatoes after 5 minutes because it cooks much faster than the carrots. Put the top on a jar, continue cooking. And now we will add the potatoes. There. little bit of water. There you go. And put the top on and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. If the potatoes are soft, the meat's soft, that's ready. I'm going to add some more onions for color. There you go. Tap on. Check the adobo. Whoa. Carrots. Carrots. Yeah. Soft. One thing. Soft. Ah, there is my adobo. I like adobo with more liquid because I can put on the rice and it's so good. There you have it. Turn off the heat and that is our adobo. Pork ribs adobo.